How you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thanks again for tuning in to our video. If you can, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we are in Brooklyn off of Liberty Avenue. We had a customer who received a violation from the fire department for not having a curb valve. We came here about a week ago. We dug up the sidewalk. We found that, oddly enough, this line doesn't even have a curb valve. So now we're here today. We're gonna dig up the street. Sidewalk's being redug. We're gonna put in a brand new curb valve. I'm here with our foreman, Dwight. Dwight, how you doing?
What's up, man?
Good to see you. So 4-inch, right?
4-inch, yeah.
Okay, let's go see what you got going on. All right, so Dwight, what we got going on? What is that, a sleeve right there?
Yeah,
Are they standing on?
The sleeve right here.
So what they do a repair here at one point and remove the curb valve?
Probably.
That's what it looks like, right?
Oh, they just didn't put any in there before.
Or they just never did it and they just joined the two pipes there, right? Okay. This line doesn't look that old, right?
No.
It's a lot of rain. It's a lot of rain. Look how much water is right there.
All right, what we're going to do now, exposing that, and then we're going to have to cut the street, close the valve,
Yep.
and then
Cut the pipe.
cut the pipe, and put in the curb valve
We're gonna get this all done today.
in a couple of hours.
So we see this type of thing all the time. It's really odd that a newer 4-inch water main would not have a curb valve. We see it a lot in the city on 2.5-inch sprinkler lines where they don't have the curb valve and they fail their fire inspection from the fire department. So it's strange that they don't have one here, but we'll get it knocked out today and they'll be in good shape. All right, so these guys, we got our final inspection. They were able to knock it out. We're gonna close up this street here in a little bit. Dwight, as always, thank you. Anthony, thank you. Cyprian,
God bless.
thanks for watching.